I am going to show you how to use the rotary axis. First, prepare a rotary axis. Then, connect it to the driver. This is the driver. Once this part is connected, insert this CM4. Connect it. Next, open the software. We'll start by typing a word. Then, go to the Advanced section. There's an option for rotary axis engraving. Initially, there should be no dividing lines. If there are any, remove them. Now, establish dividing lines. Dividing lines can be vertical or horizontal. In this case, we'll create horizontal dividing lines. This is the manual mode. Thus, we need to set these parameters. Enable the rotary axis. Select which axis to use. Choose the corresponding axis. Currently, the x-axis is connected, so enable the rotary axis. The number of pulses depends on the driver's subdivision settings. Fill in the corresponding number of pulses. Apply the settings. Now, move it. As this is the manual mode. After the rotary axis is operating properly, we can use the red light to align the position and start marking. The marking position depends on your requirements. This is how the rotary axis works.